Hi, my name is Jordan Kuzmanov and I am a full-time Forex trader as well as the developer and creator of the FX Delta algorithm. So in this short video, I would like to show you and walk you through the whole software, show you some of the main components and features of the algorithm, and explain to you why this software is really irreplaceable part of every trader's arsenal and why everyone should be taking advantage of its powers. The unique approach of the FX Delta algorithm towards the market gives us immediately advantage simply because the pattern identifies momentum and volume. And once you know there is momentum and volume for the given currency pair, you know that you want to be there trading it. And that's exactly what the scanner is going to do for you. Provide you with the opportunities and the alerts for these trading setups. And that's in reality the first component that you're going to deal with. This is the FX Delta scanner, which is held only by one chart, which means you don't have to run it on multiple charts, and all of the pairs that you want to trade will be listed inside it. The second part, or the second component of the FX Delta, is the actual trading template, where you're going to find many useful trading features. Naturally, we're going to start with the actual signal here. You have a red arrow, which means you're looking to sell. On the chart, you also notice that you have a few lines. These lines are representing the take profit and stop loss levels. The red one is for stop loss. Green lines are naturally going for the take profits. Below, you will notice inside the navigation that you have direction, validity, and all these useful other informations. And of course, inside the trade management part, you have the details regarding your trade. And basically what you're going to see here is what is going to be your profit towards target 1 and target 2 in terms of pips. You're also going to see the risk reward ratio, which is pretty useful. Again, target 1 and target 2. And at the bottom, you'll see the statistics for the potential loss, which will be displayed in points, pips, okay, or as a percentage of your account. Of course, you also have the opportunity to go ahead and place market order or set your pending orders using the FX Delta dashboard. So that's pretty much all. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to trade the FX Delta together.